Hi there, I'm Justin Pritchard, and this video is about one commonly overlooked part of your modern car or truck that can cause a ton of headaches and frustration unless you know how to make sure that it doesn't. Car batteries are miserable, lonely devices that get little consideration, little fame, and little fanfare. Mostly, your battery lives a thankless and boring life and never gets much thought until one day you're eventually inconvenienced when it dies. It's all very sad. The battery in a modern car has a lot of very important jobs, and the more modern and advanced the car, the more jobs the battery has, and the more difficult those jobs are, especially in the dead of a Canadian winter. The point is, modern vehicles have a lot of advanced computer systems and networks on board that are very vast and complex, and very demanding on that lowly battery. The electronics feeding on the electricity provided by your car's battery can be very fussy eaters. If the battery starts to weaken and die, then the electronic components feasting on its electricity can start to get upset, and then the gremlins come. These are random, often frustrating problems that manifest across various electronic vehicle systems, which is virtually all of them, really. Gremlins are often a warning sign that your battery is slowly beginning to circle the drain. They come in all shapes and sizes with too many to list, but some examples of popular gremlins in modern cars include sporadic car alarm activation, wonky locks, key fobs or windows, random warning lights, and seemingly unrelated malfunctions across various systems at once. Some owners of newer vehicles even report that the factory-installed battery might have a lifespan as short as just 2 to 3 years, so don't assume that your battery is healthy just because this will only be its second or third winter. Take electronic gremlins as a strong suggestion to have your vehicle's battery and charging system tested professionally. If the battery isn't fresh and healthy, replacing it could prevent further headaches, especially ahead of the cold weather travel season. And don't underestimate the havoc a dying battery can wreak on your vehicle's gadgets. One reader even tweeted me just last month saying that some odd behavior from her power windows was fixed by replacing her car's battery without the need for some expensive parts that her advisor was about to order. In a nutshell, if one or more things in your vehicle that runs on electricity is acting weird, there's a solid chance it's because your poor old battery is on its way out the door. I've encountered reports of weak batteries causing problems with power tailgates, smart keys, safety system false alarms, lighting system malfunctions, and more. Now, these often look like big and complex problems and some very annoying gremlins, though sometimes, in fact a lot of times, the solution is just to replace the battery, and you shouldn't wait until it has trouble starting your engine before you do it. Now, your battery knows that you're not close, but it doesn't hold that against you. And in fact, many batteries will reward a little bit of low-key TLC with a longer service life and more consistent and reliable performance. For instance, you can get a trickle charger for about $50 at Home Hardware and hook it up to your battery in about a minute whenever your car will be parked for more than a few days. The charger conditions and recharges the battery while you're gone, extending its reliability and stretching its life if you use it consistently. You'll also want to make sure that your battery terminals don't look like this. That built-up crud needs to be removed since it's semi-conductive, meaning that if you see it, it's slowly killing your battery a little bit all the time. Check your owner's manual or check with a professional if you're not sure how to check or clean the battery terminals yourself. And if in doubt, get it checked out. A professional battery and charging system inspection is quick and painless and can prevent no shortage of headaches ahead of the holiday travel season. My name's Justin Pritchard for Driving.ca. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below so you never miss a new upload. And until next time, take care and stay safe.